Here, back for another update. Hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend and you guys are having a great Sunday morning. Let's take a look at the crypto total altcoin market cap, and what we see over here is a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern in the form of an ABC correction. You have a 3-wave move down for your A wave, 3-wave move up for your B wave, and then a 5-wave move to the downside for your C wave with a truncation in the 5th wave. Now, like I said in my last video, whenever you see a wave 5 go sideways, it's usually because you have a waterfall move to the downside in your wave 3, and then sellers get exhausted in the 5th wave once this 4th wave comes to fruition. What we also see is a move down to extreme. So like I said, whenever you come down to the 70.2% fib to 88.6% fib, it produces feelings of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And usually when sentiment gets that low, it does produce what's called a short squeeze. Okay, so you have new shorts opening up at the 70 to 78.6% fear. There's actually more fear over here than it was over here, because once it gets down here, a lot of retail traders think it's going to go below this wave 3 low, when in reality this is a sideways wave 5. Now what we see over here is a pop up above trendline resistance, a back test of it as support, and now we're likely going to see continuation here. Going forward, what bulls would want to see is a move back above the 70.2% fib, which is measured from this B wave high down to this low over here. And this is on the logarithmic scale. We'll also put on the 78.6% fib over here. So once you get over 705 to 724 billion, right, measured from this high over here down to this low, then we could say that this in fact is the bottom and the correction is done. If you want my bias, I do think the bottom is in, because we for our 3rd wave low, we did come down to the 1.786, 1.886 region, so it goes to show you how extended this C wave is. Moreover, when we zoom out here on the daily time frame and we take a fib from this swing low over here up to this swing high, you guys can see that we have perfectly came down to the 61.8% fib. Do you guys see that? Okay, you see how we I'm going to make it red so you guys can see. Okay, you see how we perfectly came down to the 61.8% fib over here. Okay, and then if we take a look at the logarithmic scale, you can see we came down to the 50%. So that's very significant. Okay, moreover, our momentum indicators are turning up over here. And then if we take a look at the RSI on the 4-hour time frame, so let's actually take a look at it on the 12-hour here. And what do we see over here? Okay, if we look over here, we can see that we have so from this swing low over here to the current lows that are set, we have what's called Class C bullish divergence, where you have an equal low on the RSI, but a higher low on the price. So you have Class C bullish divergence, you have a Elliott wave flat pattern with a 5th wave truncation of your C wave coming down to extremes, a break above trendline resistance, and the daily looks very nice too. Okay, very nice structure in regards to the candlesticks. But if we take a look as well on the daily, look at this bullish pin bar, right, or this dragonfly doji right off the 78.6% fib here. Okay, on the 4-hour, it was a bullish hammer. Okay, and this is when extreme fear set in, right over here. This is when all the market makers' buy orders got filled before driving the price back above trendline resistance. So nothing to worry about here. It does look like the correction is done. What we would want to see going forward is a move above this region over here in order to fully confirm that the correction is done. I hope you guys enjoyed the crypto total altcoin market cap video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.